Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams here to bring you the story shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness announced that a reduction will be enacted on the 15% tax that investors pay on dividends received. The announcement was made at the 20th staging of the Jamaica Stock Exchange's Regional Investment and Capital Markets Conference held at the Pegasus Hotel on January 21 to 23. Dr. Holness was the keynote speaker at the opening ceremony. The reduction on taxes paid by investors is part of the new plan that Dr. Holness outlined to the audience at the Pegasus. The Prime Minister outlined the 6 pillars of the new growth agenda, which are human capital development, economic diversification, infrastructure development, reducing red tape, safety and security, and inclusive growth. Garnet Reid, president of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, SBAJ, shared his desire to work with the Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, to develop the micro market to allow for businesses valued at 5 million Jamaican dollars or more to become listed on the JSE as a way to raise money from equity investors and reduce dependency on bank loans. We share this clip from the 20th staging of the Jamaica Stock Exchange's Regional Investment and Capital Markets Conference held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. So we're here at the 20th staging of the Jamaica Stock Exchange Investment and Capital Market Conference, and joining us is Garnet Reid, president of the Jamaica Small Business Association. President Reid, welcome.
Welcome. I just want to say on behalf of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, we'd like to commend the Jamaica Stock Exchange for another excellent conference, investment conference.
Yes, so President.
Looking around, place is getting full,
yes.
And I'm sure it's going to be a very excited and interested evening.
All right, so President, one of the things we know that you have been advocating is the establishment of a micro market. We have the main market,
yes,
with companies, yes, worth 500 million or more. We have the junior market, yes, with companies valued at 50 million or more.
Yes.
We are hearing from the street that you are advocating for a micro market for companies valued 5 million and more. Why is that?
That's correct, Delia. I believe small business can become big business.
All right.
And even go medium-sized enterprises.
Yes.
And therefore, we are rallying 20 persons.
Yes, for each company.
For each company.
Yes.
To ensure that they can join the stock exchange,
yes,
junior market,
or no, micro
market rather,
yes,
and to ensure that that can be done.
So we're
working on those 20 people.
So you're saying if each small business were to find 20 investors,
that is correct,
that believed in their vision
and mission,
that we could in this country have a micro market.
And micro markets very, very important.
Yes, because the debt burden is heavy.
The debt burden is so heavy, and the cost of borrowing money.
Yes.
Borrowing money is expensive.
Yes.
And therefore, we have businesses have to find a way,
yes,
to find money to run their business.
Right.
Of course, and new capital.
Yes.
And so on, working capital, etc.,
yes,
etc.
So if 20 persons or more.
Yes, could be 25.
Saw the vision.
But we are working.
Yeah, and invested in these companies.
And invest in these companies.
They could be a part of this incredible investment capital market conference, 2026, right,
and beyond.
So the Small Business Association of Jamaica stands behind a new way for small businesses to raise money.
It's a new beginning for the Small Business Association of Jamaica. We're going to ensure that we raise money to ensure to carry on some of these activity, yes, where
and
investment is concerned.
And you're going to help small businesses who are interested in this new way.
Interested. But you might have heard me, Denise,
yes,
speaking about the Bank of Jamaica, who
yes,
who have reduced their interest rate
Yes.
4 consecutive times.
Yes.
And so on. And the banks to date have not even looked on us.
Yes.
Just today though,
yes.
we get a call from the Jamaica Bankers Association of Jamaica,
yes.
who is interested to have a meeting with us, and we'll see where that
right.
goes.
But that makes this
even
more
important
because equity is an alternative to debt.
That is correct, and very important.
Yes.
And very important.
Thank you so much,
Thank you very much,
President.
Denise. It's a pleasure.
Yes. For the trading period ended January 21, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,873,854 units traded represented 20.65% of market sales volume. Food and finance conglomerate Grace Kennedy Limited with 2,820,553 units traded represented 20.27% of market sales volume. Microfinance firm Lasco Financial Services Limited with 2,369,560 units traded accounted for 17.03% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 21, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $48.42 million purchased and US $51.75 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned 98 cents per dollar sold, selling the US at $157.26 and buying the US dollar at $156.28. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.88 in profit per transaction, with selling at $110.61 and buying at $107.73. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.31 in profits, with selling at $193.93 and buying at $187.62. For our credit report tip of the day, starting a business after unemployment and debt may feel difficult. It doesn't matter where you've been. What matters is where you're going. Use these steps to climb out of debt, build credit, and create a business that fuels your dreams. So here's a roadmap to get started. Start with small loans. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Look into microloans and startup-friendly programs to get the ball rolling. And keep personal credit out of it. This isn't just good practice, it's survival. Mixing business and personal credit creates chaos. Now we turn to building something from nothing. For resilience and recovery as a professional woman over the age of 45, age is your advantage. You bring wisdom, tenacity, and a deeper sense of purpose to the table. Start small, stay consistent, and watch the efforts into recurring streams of income grow. So you've got to get clear on your why. Why are you building? For your family, your legacy? The why will get you out of bed when life tries to keep you down. And then leverage what you already know. You've spent years developing skills. Package those skills into consulting, training, or mentoring. Someone out there is willing to pay you for what you already know. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.